Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am getting my hair cut for the first time in a year and a half. Look at this length, crazy. Anyway, so I'm getting a diva cut, which is what I always do. I'm going to my stylist, Angie, who I love, and I thought I would take you along with me and kind of show you the before and after. I don't know if they're gonna let me film in there, but this is the before of my hair, and then I would talk a little bit more about my curly hair routine and what I do and all of that stuff. I'm sad to see the length go, but I really do want something new and fresh and just like a new shape, you know when it just gets to that point. Anyway, here we go. So I am back from the salon, and I actually decided to re-wet my hair so that I could show you my hair routine and the products that I use and kind of how I style my hair on my own. So I'm just gonna really quickly show you how I wash and style my hair on the daily. Okay, so I have washed my hair and then usually put it up in like a hair towel or a t-shirt, whatever I have. So today I'm just using a cotton t-shirt. So today I washed my hair with the Low Poo Original Mild Lather Cleanser. Sometimes I use a Cure shampoo. It just depends on what I have at the moment. And then the DEVACURL One Condition Original Daily Cream Conditioner is what I put in my hair today. So this for shampoo, this for conditioner. I'll link all of these below. I also sometimes use the DP Hue mask. The ACV mask that they have is my absolute favorite hair mask, but I'm out of it. So I've been using the Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask from DEVACURL. Sorry for the glare. So this Melt Into Moisture from DEVACURL. I've been using that if I need a mask since I'm out of the other stuff. Then I take my hair out of the towel. Kind of just move it around. Ooh. Cool. So you can see it's already a little shorter than it was. So I start with the DEVACURL Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. I put this in my hair first. Just like a little dollop. Swirl it around and then run it through my curls. Same thing. Run it through, and then all over. So oftentimes I actually run my hands through my hair, run the product through my hair, and then I flip my head over and run it through like upside down. I'm not gonna do that for this video because it's just like not very cute. Also, you don't need to know how to do it. You just turn your head upside down and place the product underneath your hair and throughout that way. And then this, I love this stuff so much, it's almost gone, as you can see. So this is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treats Jelly. So it's a mouthful, guys, but it's amazing. I really love how it works on my hair. It's very similar to Bounce Curl for like 60% off. I don't know if that's an accurate percentage. Anyways, it's a lot cheaper. So I really like it. And it's got all the biodegradable formula. There's no sulfates, there's no silicones, parabens, colorants, mineral oil, etc., etc. I really love this stuff, and I'm gonna put it in now. I take about that much. This stuff looks disgusting, but it's amazing. And then I just run it through my hair, all the product through my hair. Then once all of the product is in my hair, I do one of three things. I either use these Kristen S Do It All sectioning clips, or these little clippies, and just put those up at the root, or I just use like a regular clip and I just pile it all up on my head. I'm just gonna do a regular clip. So take either side, pull it all the way up, and give myself like a New Jersey hairstyle, you know? And then I pull the rest of it to the front. And then I truly just let it air dry like this. I don't often blow dry my hair. I don't own a blow dryer. I would love the DEVACURL, you know, the diffuser. I'm like trying to save up to get that because I would love to have that. I used to have a regular diffuser. My sister stole it. It's fine, whatever. So now I basically just let my hair air dry. So I'll just kind of hang like this until it's all dry, which I will show you when it's finished and dry. And then in between days, I use this DEVACURL Refresh and Extend styling spray. So that's what I spray on my hair, like in between washes if I don't want to wash every day, which I don't. I try to wash like twice a week. Yeah, so I'll be back when my hair is nice and dry and ready for you. Hello? back with my hair completely dry. This is the next day. I really tried to dry it and have it done in time. Bunny, nobody wants a kitten in the video. Oh, you're a kitten? Are you so cute? Look, Bunny. That's the Bunny. That's the Bunny. She's a Bunny. I love my Bunny. Okay, bye. I had every intention of coming back with my hair dry and just kind of showing you the cut and all of it. However, I took a shower and then I fell asleep at like 3:30 until 5 o'clock, and then it was dark out and then I couldn't show you. So literally don't get a cat. I fell asleep until 5 o'clock and then it was dark as anything, so I couldn't film or show you anything. So I am back again today to show you the finished product. So this is my hair. This is what it looks like after the cut. Totally styled, totally dry. I really like it. It's not as short as I thought it was gonna be, and I'm so glad for that because I really love the length. So it just feels like fresher, nice shape, really manageable. And that's why I love the Diva Cut, because it doesn't have to sacrifice a ton of length to just feel like really good and really styled. I probably won't wash my hair for a couple days. I'll leave it like this and just use like styling products and stuff to continue the style. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I do to keep that going. I use this DEVACURL dry shampoo for brunette/dark hair. This is what I'll use in between to kind of keep my hair fresh and clean. And then I have this cutie little comb from Kristen S. Ooh. And then I have this IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. So as you can see, I have a lot of volume over here because I kind of like make it that way and have it cut that way. That's like how I part my hair. But I do want to like lift this a little bit. So as that flattens out, I'll use the IGK spray. So what I usually do is just take really gently. You want to separate so that I don't like rip my curls and ruin them. It's basically just like this section that kind of gets flattened out. So I'm going to spray that with texture spray. And then I'm just gonna like little bit back comb, just like lift it with this comb, just so that it kind of like, see how that just kind of looks a little bit more evened out. And I'll do it back here as well, just to like lift the root a little bit. Also because I feel like there are pockets where you can kind of see my scalp because I'm probably getting old and losing some of my hair. So I'm just trying to kind of keep that from being seen as well. So I'll do that as well to kind of just like pump it up. And then I use this IGK coconut oil gel as well over all of my hair. I'll do it just for you for now, but I wouldn't typically do this because my hair is fine today. I put a tiny, tiny, tiny bit on my finger like that, because this stuff is like a lot heavier. And then I would just put this throughout to kind of clean up the frizz a little bit. And then I'd be ready to go. And that is my before and after of my Diva Cut, how I style my hair, how I refresh my hair in between washes, and kind of my curly hair routine. If you haven't gotten a Diva Cut, I definitely would recommend you looking for someone in your area, finding a stylist that you trust, because it has really just like changed my hair. It's really changed how I feel about my curly hair. I really embrace my natural hair a lot more, which I think so many women should do. I grew up thinking that my hair had to be straightened, my hair had to be tamed, my hair had to like not be my own, you know? And I just think it's so beautiful when people embrace their natural hair, whether that is straight or curly or wavy or textured, like whatever it is. And I just think it's so beautiful, and I want to encourage you to feel confident enough to wear your hair natural because it is beautiful. I think it's just about knowing your hair, like knowing how to style it, knowing what works for it. And I change products a lot, so the things that I show in here, sometimes my hair gets like sick of it and I just have to adapt to other things. Don't be afraid to try new stuff if something's not working for you, or if something that works for everybody else doesn't work for your hair, that's okay too. But really, like, it was a game changer to kind of find DevaCurl, Waldow, I mean, so many other brands like Living Proof, R&Co, like so many of them are now coming out with like curly hair things, and even like really accessible brands, things that are in like Target and CVS. There's so many options that you don't have to spend a ton of money to get really great looking hair and to really embrace your natural hair. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm holding down my cat out of the frame because she's killing me. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any more curly hair videos or styles or, I don't know, hair ideas, anything that you would want, leave me a comment and let me know. Also giving away one of these, I'm gonna show you, hold on. Some of the things that I mentioned today in this little kit from DEVACURL. They sent this to me to send to one of you. So if you want to enter, just head over to my Instagram. I'll hit the handle here, or you can see the link in the description box to my Instagram. It's really simple. You should totally do it. Again, you're amazing. Thanks for being here. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if that's something that you're into. Tag a friend or show someone this video. Okay, have a great day.